Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And yeah, another brilliant day out playing dirty bikes with mates. Just in Newport. Yeah, Alan, my mate from the IAM, invited us again. He was scouting some routes, so came along. Camille was there, Maka, who you will have seen on some of my touring videos, was there, and a couple of other guys, Andy and Keith, I believe. Apologies if I got your names wrong, guys. But yeah, we went scouting some lanes, and yeah, had a lot of fun. I didn't fall off this time. I didn't even have the airbag clipped in most of the time when I was on the mud, on the advice, I think, of Hippodromes. Good advice. So I just unclipped it for most of the day. I've got it clipped on now just because I'm just about to hit the motorway. Really, I have to come up the M11 for this location. So I wanted to let you know how it went. The handlebars, the bar risers, everything was fantastic. The mirrors were great. Worked really well on the motorway as well. No vibrations, good visibility. There wasn't an issue at all. I think Camille, who was in the CRF, also has the same mirrors, which I'll put a link for the Amazon in the description. So if you're interested, you can use them. It's just like the double take ones, just the two ball joints, adjustable, and if they get bashed, then they just slip around. But on the road, they're pretty good. Good visibility, no vibrations. Yeah, Wainata did very well again. The TKC 80s have proved to be the absolutely right choice for this type of riding, this kind of off-roady, green laning adventure. Obviously, I can't do anything more serious. Anything that gets a little bit more muddy than these tires will just not hold up. But even today, even some of the muddy stuff, it was a bit of an issue. They get plugged up pretty quickly if it's a lot of soft mud. But if it's other stuff like loose rocks, gravel, even grass, it did all right. A bit of sleepy slidey stuff today. It's been raining, so there was some challenging stuff, but we did all right. Everybody survived. No serious crashes. In fact, I think just a one minor one. It was all right. So yeah, as usual, I'll put some footage here. I'm filming this, as you can see. My GoPro, I don't trust it anymore, but I've got these that I haven't used in quite a long time. I've got these Hero Sessions that I bought off of Mr. Motor Mogul, actually, a few years ago. So I'm using them. I've got the same lavalier mic that I normally use, but it's just plugged into a sound recorder, like a Zoom H1N that's in my pocket. So for now, that will have to do. But I am in the market for a new camera, GoPro. I did have the subscription with GoPro, so they should be able to replace the camera because it's broken. But I think as soon as I get it back from them, I am just going to fleabay it, and I'm going to be spending some money on a DJI, either an Action 4 or an Action 5. Now, I don't think I need the Action 5. I don't think there's any features in it that justify the extra 120 or whatever price it is. So I'm in-airing. You may know that I'm a fairly reluctant buyer when it comes to these things. I like to mull it over and agonize over every last option and possibility. So but yeah, I think a DJI Action either 4 or 5 is about to come into the channel. But for now, we're gonna limp along with this setup, or do some slightly different stuff. So I've got a couple of sessions. So this one's the one that currently has power. Then I've got the Insta. There's another one down here that I recorded with earlier on. So yeah, cool. Alright guys, that's it. I'll put some footage here and some music of the green laning stuff. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments down below. I hope to see you in the next one. But for now, leaving Newport and going back towards the big smoke of London, this is Noob out. Thank you very much. Cheers.
Stopped for some reason.
The Russians are coming. So you said you knew these legs like the back of your hand.
Every time we stop, my glasses steam up.
Yeah.
See? Is it always this badly organised? Yeah. Right, I'll give you a discount. All right.
No discount. I want a full refund.
Is he charging you?
Tell me that. 0.